How to set the weather on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the weather application on your phone. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the list icon. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots icon to open the menu. From this menu, tap on Celsius and you can see the unit is changed. To add a new city, tap on the search bar and type in the name of the city or airport you want to add. For this example, Vancouver. You can now view the detailed weather forecast for that location. Go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon to save it. As you can see, the new location has been successfully added to your weather list. You can tap on any city in the list to view its detailed forecast information. Following these steps, you can easily set the weather on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.